Dear children, in today's class we are going to learn lesson number 8 money, page number 155. Student, if we want to buy anything, for that we need money. So what are those money? See, our money is in two types. It's in one in notes, papers, okay, currency notes, and we'll call currency coin. Our currency note are made by paper. Our currency notes are prepared by paper, and our coins are made by metal. You know no metal. See here. Open page number 157. Identify the following coins and notes and write the values as given in the example. Okay, see here. Children, you all are seeing this picture. So what is this number? It is 50. So 50 means it's a 50 paise coin. See, nowadays we are not using this 50 paise. Okay, in previous days it was using. Okay, so here it is 50 paise. So this coin value is 50 paise. And see this picture. What is this number? 1. So the value of this coin is, value of rupees is 1 rupee. This is 1 rupee coin. See this second. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. So the value of rupees is 2 rupees. This is, see children, this is which coin? This is 5 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. So we'll write here 5 rupees. See this note, children. See here. It is 1 rupee note. Okay. Previous days it was using. Nowadays we are not using this note. Okay. This is 1 rupee note. See here. This is 2 rupees note. This is 2 rupees note. This also nowadays we are not using this note. Next, this is, see here, observe this children. This is 5 rupees note. The value of rupees is 5. This is 5 rupees note. See, this is 10. This is 10 rupees. The value of note is 10. See this? You are looking now? See here? It is 20 rupees. This is value of 50. So this is 50 rupees note. You got it now, children? See, now what we should do? Here, match as shown in the example. Here, one side, in one column they given notes. In another column they written that in this amount value. Okay. So see this. This is which note this is? Yes, this is 1 rupee note. So we'll match this here. Next, this is 5 rupees note. So where is your 5 rupees? This is 2, 10, 50 rupees, 1 rupees, 5 rupees. So here is there. So we'll match this note to here. See next, 2 rupees. Okay. Where is your 2 rupees? Here. So we'll match this here. Next, this is 20 rupees. Where is your 20 rupees? Here. So we'll match this 20 here. Here, where is 10 rupees? Here. So we'll match this 10. Sorry, here. We'll match this here. Next, this is 50 rupees. So we'll match this 50 rupees. Got it, children, now? So, see here. Next, match the picture and value of the coin. See children, observe this coin. This is, how much this is? 50 paise. See, they written here 50 paise. So we have to match here 50 paise. Next, this is 1 rupee coin. Where is your 1 rupee? Yes, here is there. So we'll match here. This is 2 rupees coin. Here, where is your 2 rupees? Here. So we'll match here. Next, this is 5 rupees. We'll match here 5 rupees. Okay. See, 1 rupees and 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees coins are available both in coins and notes. See, this is 5 rupees, 1, 2, 5, 10 rupees are both in coins and notes. But nowadays we are not using this 1 rupee and 2 rupees, 5 rupees notes we are not using. Okay. And see this. This is the symbol of rupees. You are looking at this. This is the symbol of rupees. Okay. See here children. Look at the chart and find the amount of each article right in the given box. See here. Yeah. Here articles means things are there. Here arrangement of notes. Amount. For see here, we want to buy this doll. So for that we have to pay amount. They arranged notes here. So what we should do? We have to write in number. See here 20 is there. This is 5. So 20 plus 5, how much? 25. So this is 25 rupees. Next, see here. This is 10 rupee note. This is 5 rupees note. Now we have to add this. Okay. So 10 plus 5 rupees is equal to 15 rupees. See, for if we want to buy this ball, we want to pay 15 rupees. Is there any 15 rupees notes or coins are there? No. So what we have to do? We have to arrange. See, 10 rupees note 1 will take and 5 rupees note will take, and we'll give these 2 notes to buy a ball. Okay. See here next. Here chocolates are there. For that chocolates we have to pay 2 rupees. Here 1 rupee note is there and 1 rupee is not there. 1 rupees, 2 notes we are giving. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 rupees. Next, we have to buy a car. For that buying a car, we are giving 1 to 2 20 rupees notes and 1 10 rupees notes. So how much now? See this 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20 plus 10. How much now? We'll give 2 20 rupees note and 1 10 rupees note. Now how much it will be? It will be 20 20 40 plus 50. See now we want to buy a ice cream. For buying ice cream we are paying 2. How much this is? 2 rupees. 2 rupees notes and 1 rupees note. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5. We are giving 5 rupees. If you want to give 5 rupees, we have to pay 2 rupees note and 1 rupee note. Okay, got it children? Next, make rupees 6 by using rupees 1 and rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins only. See here, we want to make 6 rupees by using this 1 rupee and 2 rupees and 5. See here only. We have to take any 2 coins. So, which one will take? See here. Only 2 coins we have to take. If we take 1 rupees coin, we want to take 5 coins. But we have to use here only 2 coins. So, we'll take 5 rupees coin and another 1 rupee. So, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. See now second here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, for making 6 rupees, we have to take 5 coins. So, which coins will take? So, we'll take 1, 2, 3. 4 1 rupee coin. 4 1 rupee coin will take and 1 2 rupees. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. See now, here for making 6 rupees, we have to take 4 coins. So, which coins will take now? So, we'll take 2 rupees coins and 2 1 rupees coin. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. See here now. Here 6 coins we have to take to make 6 rupees. So which coin will take? 6 coins we have to take. So we'll take 1 rupee coin. So 6 1 rupee coin will take. Then it will be 6 rupees. Got it, children? Okay. So here I stop today class. We'll continue in next class. Okay. Thank you, children.